African nation of Uganda. There were few chances for her to dream big. Then she discovered chess. It changed her life. This is the story of how, through chess, Fiona made her life a success story.
My father died of AIDS when I was 3 years old. My mother could no longer afford to pay my school fees. It was very hard to not be in school. I was in the slums alone. I did not have hope. Then I discovered chess. My name is Fiona Mpes. I am the junior chess champion of Africa.
Chess is a game that teaches discipline and enables someone to acquire skills of overcoming challenges. And through this game, Fiona has been able to overcome all the challenges that she's been going through because she puts the principles of the game in her lifestyle, and she's able to look for the possible solutions and to get the best decisions for her life.
I wake up in the morning and I pray to God. And then I begin my chores to help my mom. I wash the clothes, dry them out, and then I help my mom to hang them so that they dry in the sun. I love to help my mother in the morning because since my father died, she needs help. I then get my books and walk 3 kilometers to school. It is a long walk, but I must do it to go to school. I am so happy now to go to school. I know that my education is very important to my future. I am very happy when I am at school. I have very many friends there. I love my friends and my teachers. I found food and friends at the chess camp. I had never heard of chess. But when I saw it, I liked it. I started playing against girls and boys. Then I started beating the boys. Every day, Coach Robert and I train to make me a better chess player. When I play chess, I'm not afraid. I know that I can win. Doesn't matter that my opponent is a girl, or a boy, or a man. I'm sure I can win. Today, I wake up to pack for Russia. I had to pack many clothes to stay warm. I'm excited to get into the plane with all of my friends and drive to the airport. Whether I come back with a trophy or not does not matter. I know that Coach Robert and my mother with my friends will be proud of me. I go to represent my school, my country, and my dad.
Fiona became world famous when a movie was made about her extraordinary life. But she hasn't stopped competing. She became the junior chess champion of Uganda, and she still travels the world meeting people and competing with chess.
When I play chess,